I think you have doubt in taking the values. I think. Okay. I will explain first. మళ్ళీ ఒక అరగంటకి ఇంకొక బ్యాచ్ వస్తారు, మళ్ళీ స్టోరీ మొదలు పెట్టాలి స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ట్రైల్ పార్టీ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ హైసమ్ గర్ల్స్ తెలుగమ్మా ఇవేగా. సరే, ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ని ఎనీబడి ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ స్టేట్, ఐ థింక్ you keep this script inside here. Okay, already you know this, but one thing you have to keep it in mind. Keep the line in straight. There is a center line. Okay, keep the line in straight. If it is not going like this, then put it like this. Okay, almost straight, maximum. Is it right? Some slope on that. Okay, now fix it. Okay, కనపడుతున్నారా నీకు? Now what we do is simply you have to focus the light in the center. First it is two parts. First the light in the center of the line. Thereafter you go to adjust in the center. Okay, first part I will switch it. Listen, see, the spot is focused here. ఇది నీ కనపడలే, ఎక్కడ కనపడాలి? నాట్ ది మిడిల్. మీరు చూస్తే కనపడదు. చూడండి ఒకసారి అక్కడ డైరెక్ట్గా చూడరా, ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, అది మీకు వెనక్కి కనపడదు. సో నాట్ ద మిడిల్ వన్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ కంట్రోలర్స్? విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కంట్రోలర్ వీ కెన్ అడ్జస్ట్ హారిజాంటల్ మూవ్మెంట్ అండ్ vertical. For suppose I am adjusting this. It is moving downward direction, vertical direction. Because spot చూడండి. So our first aim is to focus the spot in the center. So for that I am adjusting this spot. Okay. So it is coming down. But it is coming down on the slit, but is not in the center, right? Now you take another one. Is it in the center? Okay, center. Now it's a light lock. A light lock. But the spot not on the center of the defect. Now what we did, simply we did just we focus on this one. Okay, now first part is over. We focus the laser spot in the center. After that it has to pass through it and it has to just locate at the center, but it is not there. Then you have to adjust again vertical direction. Okay, okay, according to your requirement adjust it, right? Somewhere it is in little height, right? Stand is height, then decrease the height, stand height, that will come into the detector position. Okay, thereafter even it is not in the center, right or not? Actually, okay, then adjust horizontal direction. Okay, now don't take this up to adjust horizontal direction. ఇది అడ్జస్ట్ చేయండి. అడ్జస్ట్ దిస్ వస్తుందా సెంటర్లో? మనం చూడలేదా సెంటర్లోకి అడ్జస్ట్ అవుతుంది చూడండి, వస్తుందా? బ్యాక్కి వెళ్తుందా?
లెఫ్ట్కి
బ్యాక్కి
వస్తుంది
వెళ్తుందా, సెంటర్లోకి వస్తుందా?
సార్. లెఫ్ట్కి వస్తుంది సార్.
ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, సెంటర్లోకి వస్తుందా? ఓకే,
ఓకే సార్.
సెంటర్. రాలేదు సెంటర్ మీకు. ఓకే. What is the first part? Lazarus pulmonary. Hands. Okay. First part. What is the first part? Switch on the laser source and just focus in the center. So, if it is not there, then adjust that spot to the center with the help of these two controls. These two controls will help you to move it to vertical direction and horizontal. According to that, you move it to there. Right? Thereafter, see that whether the spot is on the detector's area or not. Okay. If it is not on the detector's area, then what you have to do? Take this one for horizontal movement. Sir, for vertical movement you can use this, but don't use this horizontal movement. If you use this horizontal movement, the spot will come out of that. So you can move vertically up and down, no problem. To just focus on the center, but don't take horizontal direction. Understand? Thereafter, values. Now, some values there. With the help of the controllers, adjust to center, horizontally and vertically. Thereafter, see that whether it is on the detector space or not. If it is not there, adjust the screw and vertical direction. Okay, then bring it to the center. You don't know the value you got is central maxima or not. Then what you have to do? Rotate the screw gauge to left and right. At what point you get the maximum value, that is the central maximum. From there you start. One direction. Okay? Central maximum, first maximum, second minimum, second maximum. Over. 10 values are over. Thereafter, screw gauge. Screw gauge formula? MSR plus VSR into LC. Over. Thereafter, distance. Distance between the, you can see, distance between the slit and grade. Then one more point is there. Distance between central maximum and nth order, minimum. First central maximum. First order minimum, or second order minimum, or third order minimum. Only minimums, not maximums. Central maximum, per suppose 10. Per suppose 100. First order minimum is, for suppose 50. 100 minus 50. What is the distance? 85. Sir, I don't want to take first order. You want to go to second order. Second order is nearly some 30. 100 minus 30? 70. In such a way, you can take. What is the value here at the end of this tuner? Entra. Jodra. 10.1. You tell me. You give her side, some side. Go there. She has to perform the exam. Don't rotate. This is very deep. 300. 300 plus
capital D.
whatever. 70.